Hello everyone, I am Sonali. In this part, we will learn the strings. This is second part of our chapter functions and strings. What is actually the string? Where we are using these strings? We know that string is a collection of characters. It is a sequence of characters. We are using these strings for storing the phone number, storing the name, address, credit card number. Okay, phone number is a integer numbers, but we are using as a string because we are not applying the arithmetic operation on the phone number. So we are storing this phone number as a string. Okay, so let's see the different functions of strings. Okay, PHP providing you a large number of functions. Let's see one by one, and there are some rules to use these functions. So we will see all these functions in a detail in this video. Strings. See, string is sequence of characters having a three different types: single quoted string, double quoted string, and here doc. Okay, here doc is a new for us. We will see in detail single quoted string first. Single quoted string means what? Here string enclosed within a single quote. Okay, here we are using the backticks for enclosing a string. See the example computer. Okay, this computer string is enclosed within a single quote. Similarly, here in a Pune, this is enclosed in single quote. These strings are not interpolated. What is interpolation? We will see this in a detail in the next session. PHP. See here the example PHP. Here is one variable $name storing the variable value Sonali. Okay, in single quote. And here the $message equals to hello. We are using this $name here. Okay, hello $name and then echo $message. What will be the output for this program? Okay, according to our view, output should be hello Sonali. Okay, but here the single quoted string are not interpolated. Not interpolated means we can't access this value of variable here. So output is here hello $name only, not a hello Sonali, because this $name can't access the value of this here. The strings are not interpolated. Next is a double quoted. Double quoted string means what? String enclosed within a double quote means the double quoted string. Okay, we are enclosing this string within a double text. Okay, let's one example computer. See, computer is enclosed within a double quote, and Pune. Pune is also enclosed within a double quote. These are interpolated. Okay, interpolated means this variable, when we are using this in a string, at that time this variable can access the value of this. See the example $name equals to Sonali. Okay, and $message equals to what? Hello $name. Okay, we are using the $name inside this string. Okay, so you can access this value here. So your output will be hello Sonali. Okay, when you are printing echo $message, your output will be hello Sonali, because this string is enclosed. This message string is enclosed in double quote. Next is our here document. What is here document? Okay, single quoted and double quoted string allows a string in a single line. Okay, when we are displaying the string, we can display the string in a single line, but sometimes it is necessary to display the multi-line string. At that time, we are using this here document. Okay, there are some rules for using this here document. Okay, rules for this is syntax begin with this three angle brackets. Okay, syntax begins with this three angle brackets followed by user defined name. You can do the user defined name here. Okay, and space before this and after this is required. Space after this, see, there is a no space in between this. Okay, but before and after this space is required, and your first character must be a character or underscore. When you are using this as an identifier, at that time in a string, first character must be your character or the underscore. On next line, write a string as per the requirement, and it is necessary to use same identifier at the end also. Let's see one example. Let's see the syntax first. Here dollar variable name. Okay, this is dollar variable name. Here we are storing the multi-line string inside this variable name. See, space before this, here is space required, and after this is also the space required. Don't give the space in between. Here identifier. After identifier, write the string on the next line. Here you can write the number of statements here, string statement. Okay, no need to give the semicolon. You can write just as per your requirement. Okay, string statement. Here you can write the n number of statements. Okay, then end this string with the same identifier. Use this same identifier here. Let's see one example. Here is our example. The starting identifier is app. Here you can write the statement PHP is initially used as a personal home pages, but now PHP stands for PHP hypertext preprocessor. We can create dynamic web pages. Okay, these are the three statements I have written here. And then end this string with the same identifier app, and then display echo dollar string. Okay, so your output will be PHP is initially used as a personal home pages, but now PHP is PHP hypertext preprocessor. We can create the dynamic web pages. Okay, only this much is your output. You can display the multi-line strings. Next is our nowdoc. What is a nowdoc? There is little bit difference between the heredoc and nowdoc. Okay, heredoc working similar to the double quote, while nowdoc similar to the single quote. Okay, see, heredoc working is similar to the double quote and nowdoc similar to the single quote. Then what is the working of double quote and what is the working of single quote? We have learned this. Okay, in when we are using the double quote, these are the interpolated. The strings are the interpolated. When we are using the single quoted string, then these strings are the not interpolated. Okay, let's see in nowdoc, these are also not interpolated. Heredocs are the interpolated, but these nowdoc are not interpolated. What is the rules for this? It supports all the syntax rules of the heredoc except the starting name. Okay, except the starting name. Here is a difference between write the starting name. See, in heredoc we are writing the starting name, this identifier as this. In nowdoc we are writing this as in a double single quotes. Okay, here we are using single quotes, but in heredoc we are directly writing this. Okay, and the same rules is used here. Is also the required the space, here is also required the space. Write your message or the string on the next line and close this with the same identifier, but no need to give the single quote here. Okay, it must be enclosed by the single quote only at the starting. Don't give the single quote here. These are the nowadays. Next point is variable interpolation. What is actually the variable interpolation? Okay, actually this interpolation is the process of replacing variable names in the string with the value of those variables. Okay, interpolation is the process of replacing variable names in the string with the value of those variables. And the single quoted strings are not interpolated, but double quoted strings are interpolated. Okay, single quoted string, this single quoted string is not interpolated, but double quoted string can be interpolated. Okay, we have learned in this. Okay, see this example. This single quoted string we are using the here single quoted string message in message. Here is a single quoted string, so we can't interpolate this dollar name as a this answer, this value. Okay, but in case of a double quote, when we are using the double quote, we can interpolate hello and we can accept this value here. So output is hello Sonali. Okay, this is your variable interpolation. There are the two syntax for the variable interpolation. Simple syntax, you can write inside the double quote for the interpolation, and the complex syntax, you can write the code, write the variable name inside the curly bracket. Okay, like this. Inside the double quotes, you can write the variable name for the interpolation, or you can write in a curly brackets. Let's say the example here. PHP hello dear student. Okay, we are using the dear student, and here $A. So this will accept the hello and $B dear student. Okay, you can write this in a double quote. Okay, simply write in a double quote, or you can write in a complex way also. you got, see, $A equals to 1, you got the $A. Okay, $A's value is what? 1. Okay, you got, so our output will be, you got the first prize. Okay, you can write this variable name for the interpolation in the curly brackets. Next topic is a character escaping. What is a character escaping? Okay, why we are using the using this character escaping in PHP? Sometimes we need the only the single quote, or the when we are writing the path of the file. At that time we need a slash. Sometimes we need a slash n, or the any types of data, any types of escaping character in our code. So at that time we are using this character escaping rules. Okay, what are the rules for this character escaping? Okay, after escaping character, PHP print the character, interpreter print the character as it is. Okay, so which characters can be escaped in PHP? Okay, when we are using the single quotes, at that time we can use the backticks. Okay, single quote and the backslash. And when with the help of double quotes, we can use the different escaping characters like double quotes, new line, carriage return, backslash, dollar sign, then left brace, right brace, left square bracket, right square bracket. Okay, we can use the different character for the character escaping. Thank you.